Hey there, today we are going to be giving this closet a little bit of a tweak and a makeover. We have all kinds of shoes in here, bags and bags of shoes. Shoes that we mow in, shoes that we hike in, shoes that we paint in. And as you can see, the container goes on and on and on. So I have a new shoe organizing system that we are going to be building today. If this sounds good to you, then keep watching. The closet has now totally been emptied. It looks so much better this way. Now we're going to put together this shoe storage cubby. And I just wanted to show you all of the mess, all of the shoes, the toys, the hats, the suitcase, and the clothes that I took out of this one tiny little closet. We're going to take this shoe cubby into my office, lay it out on the floor, put it together, and that will be the first thing that goes back in the closet. Hey, I'm Nancy of Designer Savvy. If this sounds good to you today and you have that closet that you're ready to tackle and whip into shape, then stay tuned and let's get started. Guys, this cubby unit comes with stacking hardware if you're going to stack one unit on top of the other. It also comes with wall mount hardware, and that is for safety to secure it to the wall, and it's anti-tip hardware. So the closet is in really great shape. I painted the inside of it when we moved in, so it still looks great. I think this is where I'm going to leave the shoe cubby, and there is our very large piece of luggage with another smaller piece inside. I am in the process, I've already been out today looking. I wanted some containers to go in here. A lot of times we're out mowing or we are out hiking and we do get into poison ivy, and I'm highly allergic, so I really don't want our shoes to have poison ivy on them and then that oil rub off here. So for now I'm going to keep them in just grocery bags, but tomorrow I'm probably going to go out again and try and find containers to go in here that we can put our shoes in, and I'm looking for something clear. I've explored the kitchen container option like I use in the pantry and in my cabinetry, but they're either too short in length or they're too long in length, and I just can't get the right dimensions here. I've looked online, spent a lot of time looking online, even went to the Dollar Tree, couldn't find anything there. That hunt will continue, but for now we're just going to put the shoes back in here in the bags. So I was hoping that we would get rid of more items than what we did, but here's a few items, so the closet's that much lighter. Went ahead and put my husband's coats in here. My coats are in here that we're keeping. The reason we didn't get rid of any more than what we did is here in Kentucky, the winters can be pretty cold and they can get pretty snowy here a lot of times. And in North Carolina, where we go visit a lot and where we used to live, it's more of a mild climate there and it's a whole lot warmer. But here in Kentucky, you have all 4 seasons multiple times throughout the year. So you have your wind, you have your rain, you have your cold, you have your hot. So you need a jacket for all occasions. So that's why we're keeping all of our coats. We love the outdoors. We do a lot of hiking. We do a lot of hiking in the mountains. And we love to kayak and we love to fish. We're at the farm a lot. So we need these jackets. And they're so old. So, you know, why go buy new when the old ones are working just fine? So I was going to put the toys downstairs in the garage, but I want to keep them clean because they're for when my nieces and nephew come and visit, and these are special things just for them. So I'm going to take the hats out temporarily, put this basket in, shove it that way, and then put the hats back on top. Okay, I'm looking around and I don't see anything else that needs to go in this closet. So I will bring the camera in closer, let you see what it looks like. This is not a pretty closet, but this is a functional closet, and it's one that we've just cleaned out. Now we have all these cubbies for our outdoor shoes, instead of them being in the big Rubbermaid container, taking up a lot of valuable real estate in there. And the cubby does look much nicer. And when I get the little individual shoe holders to go inside of each cubby, that'll look much better than the garbage bags. Here we are on top of the closet. We have just two baskets. We have the basket of the toys, and then all of our hats and our scarves and our gloves are up there in that basket. These are water bottle hiking backpacks that our son gave us. And these are all of our coats and jackets for our many outdoor activities. And here's the little shoe cubby. It was $35 and we got it at Target. And let me tell you, it only took maybe 20 minutes to put this thing together. And if I had another one to do, I could probably do it actually in 10 to 15 minutes. It was easy. That was the easiest cubby organizer I've ever put together. They're great for closets. I highly suggest them to you guys. I'm really, really pleased with the way it looks now compared to the way it did look. And let's see, there's a container, some notebooks. These are my old painting tennis shoes. I think I'm gonna put them downstairs in the paint container. And these are the items that we're getting rid of right here. So there you go. Guys, thanks so much for joining me today as I tackled this coat closet. I hope it's given you a little bit of inspiration and you've got some good tips. And maybe if you haven't put together a shoe cubby before, you'll go out and buy one. And it will function as well for you as they always have for me in my home. Stay tuned for more videos to come. We just reupholstered the bench. We're gonna be putting that in place in my office soon, in the next week to 2 weeks. We're gonna tackle those bookcases in there. We're gonna redo those. We've got some gorgeous accessories for those. Can't wait for you to see them. Have a garden video that I'm trying to finish up. Excited for you to see that. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content. And please subscribe. We'd love to have you join the Designer Savvy YouTube family. Have a great day. See you in the next one.